Hello friends, I'm Mr. Bhalerao sir and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of a poem, A Teenager's Prayer, written by J. Morse. But before that, I request you, please subscribe my channel. Let's retrospect. 1. From the word grid below, pick out words related to language study, that is grammar and vocabulary, and write them against each of the clues. The word grid and its answer is given. Please watch on the screen. A. I refer to only one noun, that is singular in number. B. I qualify a noun, that is adjective. C. I say more about an action, that is adverb. D. I am a naming word, that is noun. E. I can replace naming words, that is pronoun. F. I accompany nouns or pronouns and show their relation to another word, that is preposition. G. I am a sentence with a subordinate clause, that is complex. H. I am an action or being, that is verb. I am an affix attached before a word, that is prefix. J. I sound the same but differ in spelling and meaning, that is homophone. K. I am a word having nearly the same meaning, that is synonym. L. I come before nouns to point out definite or indefinite, that is article. Let's see English workshop of the poem A Teenager's Prayer. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative and complete the given sentences. Answers is given directly. A. According to the poet, new beginnings are brought by each new day. B. We must decide to take the road which leads to great success. C. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is right. D. The poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the best years of his life. Question number 2. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Answer: make, take. Success, distress. See, me. Way, day. Question number 3. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following option. Answer is given directly. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B. Question number 4. Match the line column A with the figures of speech in column B. Answers is given directly. Please watch on the screen. 1. Decisions I must make. Inversion. 2. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord. Answer: apostrophe. 3. Travel down the darkened road. Answer: alliteration. 4. I can choose to take the road of life. Answer: metaphor. Question number 5. Elements of planning an interview. Group activity. Form groups and discuss each elements of planning an interview and prepare note on each element. There should be format or structure, size or length, how much, do's and don'ts, rules and regulations, type of questions, yes, no questions or WH questions. All these points should be included in the elements of planning an interview. Answer: a good elements of an interview. A good structure would be based on the 6 questions words, and these are who, what, how, why, where, and when. An interview is a structured conversation between two people aimed at gaining information from one of them and conveying it to readers. The structure includes: Point 1. An introduction should identify the person you are interviewing and the topic that is to be discussed. Next point. A body should be a sequence of questions and answers that interlink. There is no need for standard paragraphs. Next point. No formal conclusion or summary, but a sentence that finalizes and concludes the interview. Elements of an interview. The language used in the interview should be styled in the question and answer format. Point 1. Use simple questions that are to the point. Next point. Always be polite and courteous to your interviewee. Next point. Using open-ended questions to draw out the interview's views and opinions. Next point. It is appropriate when necessary to use closed questions which require yes or no answers. Next point. Questions should follow on from the previous question in a logical and sequential order. Next point. To clarify the interview's answers, repeat and reword what the interviewee has said. Next point. Link the questions and answers together by using phrases such as consequently, because of that, or in response to. And last point. Use appropriate words and language that relate to the mission statement. Use this structure to create your own interview. Question number 6. Prepare a set of 10 questions to interview any successful teenager. You may use the following guidelines. Guidelines are given on the screen. Please watch it. Question. A student from your school has topped the SSC examinations. You have been asked to interview him or her. Write 8 to 10 questions to ask him or her. Answer. What were your feelings when you heard the news? 2. What did your family have to say? 3. Who gave you the award? 4. What study routine did you follow to achieve such a distinction? 5. Which subjects did you specially concentrate on? 6. Did you take any tuitions? 7. Did you expect such a result? 8. Who would you say has been your inspiration and model? 9. What kind of support did you receive from your family and school? 10. What is your advice to your juniors?